Hello friends, welcome to Arshid Stock Business News. Friends, I am doing a continuous series of videos today with respect to FIS buying on Friday fall, which is Vanguard. Friends, with our basic rule, whenever all are buying, we have to sell. Whenever all are selling, we have to buy. This is the basic rule in a stock market, which was following by few most successful investors, and among them Vanguard is the one. If who are following me from my first onwards with the NSE BSE bulk deal videos, we are always following Vanguard on selling spare in recent days of bull market. But today, after continuous fall with 15 to 20% discount shares, it again came as a buyer. So today I am going to give you total list of shares with one by one analysis of every company. If you see here, today we are going with Exxon Noble. Friends, this company is specially for coating chemicals. So it has products for home owners, institutional builders and industrial users, and particularly in industrial users it has automotive specialty coating, industrial coating, powdered coating and marine and protective coatings. So friends, for home owners we are going to see Dulux. Who are working or who are in real estate construction side, they are well known product, this one Dulux. It has so much of market in India and inspiring decors and wood protective thing, and which has an individual app also to see visualizer of their color, which inspirations can be found just about anywhere. So friends, going forward it also provides waterproofing, wood care and metal and interior and exterior paints. So we are covering here as an interior and exterior paints and wooden cares. This is the extra where we are want to invest. So next thing is going forward industrial, what you called industrial paintings, automotive and specialty coating. Here we are going to see like OEM tires and applicator producing products for new cars. That means interior and exterior coatings and commercial vehicles and repairs and refurbishes of light and heavy commercial vehicles such as trucks, bus and trailers, and vehicle refinishes, dealers network, body shops, distributors and felt owners. So friends, this is also very good for us to take this on vehicle side, high quality coatings, color technologies for collision repairs and everything. So recently second hand vehicles already sold out with these paintings and reworks. Under this they has Sicken Auto Coat BT is a global brand for the commercial vehicle refinishes. So friends, on one side we are covering retail sector by their products. On another side we are covering industrial coatings. So it has industrial coatings and automotive coatings. On industrial coatings we are going to see another thing, which is metal constructions and appliances and automotive components. So friends, in our huge steel based or packaging coatings which having some coatings on it. So with this we are entering into this also. World leading supplier of coating and inks for the protection and decoration of beverages, food, aerosol and general line cans, metal closures and collapses. So friends, this is also a very good for us if we invest in this company. We cover this one also. And next one is going forward marine and protective coatings, where we are seeing a huge revenue generated recent times because of low what you call charges comparing with other mode of transport. marine and protective coatings. We protect some of the world's biggest and complex projects. That means this company, not me. So friends, we are going to see a good and sustainable revenue generation going forward in this way of auto vehicle boom on EV side and shrinkage movements and to and fro's of movement in what you called industrial side, real estate side. So friends, I am expecting the buying ranges of this company is already Vanguard bought yesterday these shares around 2150s. So now after the recovery of the stock market on Friday's second sessions, it closes on 2199. So friends, if further any fall happens, these are the support levels of 2100, 1977 and 1900. 1900 is the least thing I am expecting, but entering at 2100 is good for short term, or for now also it's good for short term. So friends, this is my view on Akzo Nobel and which the companies are holding are if you see uh, what you called bulk deals of this company on Vanguard bought at 2200 on an average price, like 2,29,000 shares, and ICICI Securities holding nearly 13 lakh shares of this company at an average of 900 rupees, and SBI Mutual Fund also holding 2.5 lakhs and SBI Mutual Fund holding 3.6 lakhs nearly at 659 rupees. So friends, it's a continuous growing company. So we are expecting further revenue generation in Indian stock market if the company will perform very well. Why? Because having monopolies in combination of sectors in this paints, interior exterior and wooden and automotive paintings coatings, and the next one is ships paintings. So friends, this is my total view on Akzo Nobel. If you like our videos, please subscribe my channel, share my channel friends.